Random Ford Focus alarms affect many pre-2019 models from 2005 to 2018. Faulty door latch, microswitches, or bonnet switches are usually to blame. These switches fail from corrosion, dirt, or wear over time. Try a simple reset first. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, or use the key fob to lock and unlock the car. If the reset doesn't work, inspect the switches. Check door latches and the bonnet switch for corrosion or damage. Test the switches with a multimeter. Use it to check for continuity in the switches. For failing microswitches, try cleaning and lubricating them, or replace with an aftermarket part costing around $20 to $50. Remember to check your vehicle's service portal for updated diagnostic software. This improves accuracy when diagnosing the issue. Many owners have had success with these steps. If basic fixes don't solve the alarm problem, the issue might be with the body control module, or BCM. This central computer interprets sensor signals and triggers alarms. A faulty BCM requires professional diagnosis and possibly module replacement, costing between $100 and $300 at a dealership. Modern Ford Focus models from 2022 to 2025 incorporate advanced electronic sensors instead of mechanical switches, significantly reducing alarm failures. The automotive trend is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics, where future models may use machine learning to predict switch failures and automatically reset alarms. For older Ford Focus models, aftermarket universal alarm modules from companies like Viper or CompuStar can bypass the factory system. Preventative maintenance is key. Lubricating switches annually with dielectric grease helps prevent future issues. Statistics show that a large percentage of Ford Focus alarm problems can be fixed with simple maintenance and basic tools, saving you expensive repairs. Additionally, checking online forums reveals many known fixes, as this is a very common issue among Focus owners.